In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a handheld flashlight from the company FORTO. I think's how you would say that. It's a 1400 lumens rechargeable. You know, it's got a long throw to it. It's got it can go from a fine like beam like that to a super wide beam, and just kind of like going over the box here. The runtime's 8 hours of runtime. It's 3 to 4 hours of charging, and it's a 4,000 milliamp battery, and it comes in a black and a beige, and I think I have the beige. It is 3-foot impact resistance. Yeah, it has a little small like handle right there that you can lift up to either hang this thing up or set it upside down and have a spotlight, because it does kind of illuminate a whole area. You know what, taking it out of the box. I've already taken this thing out and used it here. Let me just show you. Number one, you get a cool little case to it. Look at that case. Nice zippers, good rubberized kind of like handle right there with the logo FORTO embossed on the front there. Open it up, you can see this is the beige gun right here. There's the 900 yards, and I did put that to the test, and you can see how you can adjust it right there. There's the ring, a USB-C cabled, and it is labeled their brand, FORTO brand on that. A lanyard, the lanyard's going to go in right through there. You'll put that little lanyard on there, and a little set of instructions, and the instructions basically cover like how you charge it, which is right back here, and it is a very thick rubber piece right back there. USB-C goes in there. When you turn it on, you could see you've got 4 LED lights in the back, and then there's a high, a low, and then off, and then you can hold it down for 2 seconds and it goes into that strobe mode. And then to adjust it, you're going to turn this dial, see where it says focus, and you could see how it gets down to a spot right there. I can actually feel a little bit of heat on that. And the claimed range on this is 900 yards, which is, you know, a long ways. I did put this to the test at night. I shined it around kind of like my backyard area. The open, when it's just in a wide beam, it shines probably 70 to 80 feet wide, and then it does, when it goes into the low beam, you can adjust it down to the low beam, and it goes into a very spot. The spot looks like it's about 4 feet wide, and it can really go easily 900 yards. I think they really the claimed range on this is pretty accurate from what I see. So yeah, this is something I think everybody should have. I'm going to have it in my van. I'm going to be carrying this thing with me just in case I need to really kind of light up an area. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the FORTO rechargeable flashlight with adjustable beam. See you all in the next video.